Welcome. Today, we're diving into sequence numbers in DataStage's transformer stage. Why do we need them? Think of a queue without order, it's chaos. A sequence numbers bring structure and uniqueness. Luckily, we have several ways to generate them, and transformer stage is one of the most versatile options. Buckle up, this is going to be insightful and maybe even a little fun. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Imagine numbering your groceries. Without order, your shopping list would be a mess. Sequence numbers serve the same purpose in data processing. They ensure records are identifiable and consistently tracked. Today, we'll see why sequence numbers are a fundamental part of structured data handling. Trust me, this tiny detail makes a big impact. Picture a library with no book labels. Finding a book would be impossible. Sequence numbers prevent chaos by ensuring data integrity and consistency. They help in tracking records, avoiding duplicates, and making sure everything stays in order. Without them, our data would be an unorganized mess. So yes, sequence numbers are small but mighty. Now onto the fun part, how do we generate sequence numbers? It's like choosing the best tool for the job. DataStage offers multiple options, each with unique strengths. The method you pick depends on your data and requirements. Don't worry, we'll break it down step by step so you'll know exactly what fits best. All right, folks, let's talk about updating sequence numbers. Yes, the tiny numbers that keep the world of databases from chaos. First, we need to know where these numbers live. Then updating them should be done carefully, like setting the timer on a microwave. Too much power and things might explode. Always keep an eye on data integrity, because no one wants corrupted information. And lastly, prevent duplicates. Otherwise, things get messy, like sending 2 birthday wishes to the same friend. The sequence numbers should be unique, like fingerprints. No two should be alike. Auto-incrementing helps, like a self-filling coffee cup. Constraints keep things strict, ensuring no duplicates sneak in. Always monitor for risks, because nothing ruins a database like accidental twins. And if all else fails, validate through smart programming. Think of it as a safety net for when everything else decides to misbehave. The dreaded reset. Just like rebooting your phone when it's acting up, sometimes sequence numbers need a fresh start. First, decide when a reset is truly needed, no random resets allowed. Then ensure all records stay in harmony, because a disorganized database is a nightmare. Conflicts are unwelcome guests, so prevent them before they crash the party. And finally, communicate, because nothing causes panic like unexpected number changes. A performance matters. Nobody wants a sluggish system, right? Optimizing sequence number generation helps keep things snappy. Think of it as tuning a race car. Reduce locking issues, because database bottlenecks are as bad as traffic jams. Balance efficiency and accuracy, no shortcuts but no unnecessary slowdowns either. And indexing. That's like a well-organized bookshelf, everything is easier to find. If sequence numbers had a rulebook, this would be it. Standard methods keep things predictable, no surprise headaches. Scalability is key, because today's small data might be tomorrow's mountain of information. Always maintain audit trails, because tracing history is easier than remembering where you left your car keys. And keep improving, because staying ahead of issues beats fixing them later. We've covered a lot, from updating sequence numbers to ensuring uniqueness, resetting when needed, and optimizing for speed. It's all about keeping databases functional and frustration-free. Mismanaging them leads to chaos, like forgetting to charge your phone before a long trip. Avoid common mistakes and embrace best practices. Your database will thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.